Hey, let's slow the noise for a second and talk honestly about something that actually feels different when you bring it home. The RT81 Elite is for the kind of person who doesn't just listen to music, you experience it. You're not out here chasing convenience. You want texture. You want depth. You want something that doesn't just play a song, but respects it, frame by frame, groove by groove. Before you go deeper, check the current price and availability. This kind of analog gear doesn't linger forever, and once stock starts moving, the window closes faster than you think. Your upgrade wasn't born from frustration. It came from familiarity. You know what your playlists sound like. You know what digital compression feels like. You know when a track should hit harder but just doesn't. That subtle itch, that's your instinct telling you you've outgrown cheap or digital-only systems and you're ready for something that delivers emotion instead of just volume. The moment you unpack this turntable, something shifts. You set it up once and suddenly what used to be background noise becomes an intentional presence. That's the magic of analog, it doesn't mask details, it reveals them. You'll catch breaths between notes, nervous guitar string flutters, the way a pianist's fingers leave just a whisper of sound. Once you've felt music this real, going back feels like a downgrade, not just in quality, but in connection. If this has crossed your mind at all, take a second and check the price now. Deals in stock on things like this don't hang around, and waiting almost always turns into regret later. You might worry about setup or fuss. That's the part people misunderstand. With its built-in preamp and balanced design, this isn't a chore, it's a gateway. You won't spend hours tinkering. You'll spend hours listening. Here's the unexpected payoff most people don't talk about: it changes how you value your music again. Songs don't just fill space, they occupy it. Your room stops sounding empty. Listening becomes less about distraction and more about engagement. The sound feels rich and dimensional, vocals sit open and natural, every record feels alive, your space feels intentional, listening feels immersive again. It's not for loud party blasting, it favors nuance over power. Eventually, the endless comparison loop falls away. You keep circling back here because this is what matches your instinct, sound that feels true, not pushed. Every cheaper option feels thin by comparison. Every more expensive one feels like overkill for real music lovers. Don't let this be one of those upgrades you put off and then wish you'd done sooner. Check availability, make the move, and let your music finally sound the way you always knew it could.